Hey, what's going on, brew tubers? Today is brew day, early AM in the morning in Iceland. Today I am brewing. Hold on one second, let me put my specs on. Today I am brewing an American Amber Ale. We have, check this out, got my new system up and running. Brewing the bag, recirculating the mash. Check it out. Oh, can I spin it? No. Let me see. Can I spin it? Nope. Hold on. Okay, what we got here. We got the mash going. Right here. Recirculating with a little Chinese pump. Right there. If I'm pointing, yep. And I got my PID controller that I built. Current temperature 64.5. I have it set to 66.2, the mash. The heater is on. Pump 1 is on. Heater's on. Right here I have already heated this up. This is my strike water. No, not my strike water, sorry. My rinse water. And that's around 75 right now. So I got my, yeah, got it going on. So, it's pumping in here. Coming out here, going around, going into the pump, back out, up through my rims tube. It's being heated up, out through here, onto my sparge arm. All right, so we're getting ready to start the mash here. Once it hits 66.2 in about 1 degree. All right, y'all. I'll check in later. Y'all have a good one. Later, Gator.